Rouge, I don't know about this. I enjoy exploring, but I like to do it on my own 2 feet.
Come on, you big baby. Let me show you around.
All right.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and lift off!
Not so high, not so high, not so high!
Oh, we're barely up here. Look, barely palm tree height.
Those things are huge!
Blaze, it's not like I'm gonna drop you or anything. Check it out, baby! Beautiful sunshiny beach from a perfect bat's eye view.
I guess it's not such a bad view.
Okay, bored now. Let's see what else we can spot.
Where are we going? Maybe we should just walk there.
No way. We're 2 gorgeous ladies flying in style.
This is too much style for me.
But oh man, check out the blue on that ocean.
Okay, I'll admit, that's pretty beautiful. Wanna go back down there and walk by the water?
Ha! You're not getting out of this that easily. Onwards and upwards.
Oh no.
You like exercise, don't you? There's some bike paths down there. Check it out.
Phew, it's such a bright day.
Hey, check this out, Blaze. Has Silver ever taken you to the pier before?
Well, no. But it reminds me of Sweet Mountain from Eggman's Intergalactic Theme Park. All it needs is more ice cream and cake.
Ugh, don't remind me. Dr. Eggman needs to quit making theme parks about him and his dumb mustache. Oh hey, Blaze! Wave hello to the fans!
Oh, they see us, don't they? Hello. Hello, everybody.
All right. Have a good day at the beach, party people.
Wow. Now where are we? That looks like the hike up to the Emerald Shrine.
It's a popular hiking spot, that's for sure. You can see the city from here. Well, some of it anyway.
Can I admit that I'm glad we're a little closer to the ground now?
Are you still freaking out about that? We've been flying for like an hour.
I can't help it. Heights make me nervous.
Well, that's quite a shocker. I figured you'd be used to heights, since you have a flying boyfriend and all.
A flying boyfriend? What did you say?
You know it's true.
It is not. And it's none of your... That's none of your...
Ooh, look at that.
Look at what? I can barely see. The sunset is so bright.
I guess we better head back now. Come on, Blaze. And here we go. Nice and safe. See, that wasn't so bad, was it?
Rouge, that was borderline terrifying. Get that GoPro out of my face.
All right, hang on. It's attached to my head, you purple dork. Help me get it off.
Okay, there.
Anyway, Blaze, aside from that whole little fear of heights thing, you can't tell me that wasn't glorious.
Okay, it was terrifying and somewhat enjoyable. Thank you.
You're such a stick in the mud. Come on, let's get back to the others.
All right.